俺のフェラーリを覚えてる方が多いと思うんですが、だいぶ変身しましたよ。変身しました。ここにあります。行ってみようか。ここに来た俺の元のフェラーリベンツ。なかなかいい色になったんじゃない？この色はディバティウォークの色らしいですよね。最初の458のイタリア、ディバティウォークさんがアメリカに持ってきたラップはこの色だったんだよね。それでこの色が多分そのラップ会社の色だと思う。同じHRDフィールを前後ろのゴールドを白に変えたんだよね。Kim, you notice he changed them to white?
They're all white.
They're all white now. He made everything white. Got new hardware on the fenders and everything else. すごい見た目がいいです。なかなかいい。あとは一緒なんだけど。
You see the purple sparkle in it?
Yeah, I love the sparkle. I love the way it is morning. かっこいい。なかなかいい感じに変わったんじゃない？ Kim, my old car looks pretty good, huh?
It does look pretty good. I think it looks good blue.
Good job, dude. Looking sharp. この方はルークと言います。彼に買ってもらいました。Congratulations, man. You made the car look
I appreciate it.
unique, original,
Yeah, you gave
everything
me
else, man.
You gave me a perfect canvas.
You had a canvas. You had to clean the canvas a little bit, of course, first.
Just a little bit.
But you did pretty darn nice with it, man. It came out really, really nice. You tell everybody what you do, man, here in Dallas.
We do exotic car rentals, and we also own a vehicle customization shop called The Classic Lifestyle. We did all of the work to the car there. Of course, we just had to take off Steve's wrap, redo a couple things, and put it back together.
He had that car. He bought that car from me. He got it to his place. Within about 20 minutes, I got a picture of the car completely unwrapped and everything else. He didn't waste a minute of time making it his own, which is great, though, because that's what it's about, right? Originality,
100%.
being unique, and everything. And you really did, man. I like what you used that was already on the car to then kind of
Small tweaks.
tweak it to your own style. It looks fantastic. I saw you. You found that nice Corsa mode, that little.
Absolutely.
Is that
all
not
the way to the right?
Oh, yeah.
That mode is fun.
Absolutely.
Is that not one of the funnest cars? It's like a ballerina.
This is one of my favorite cars.
It's so much fun to drive, man. Well, I got a Mercy now. I got my Mercy.
I saw it. Factory satin paint too.
Factory satin paint, so kind of a unique thing. I'm gonna do some stuff to it too. I guess maybe 2-3 years down the line. Will you be buying my Mercy?
That's another dreamless car.
Hey, I knocked one off of mine. I got my next one.
It
Next
worked
one
out
to you, and
perfect.
you're a lot younger than I am, so you got a long way to go, bro.
Appreciate
Proud of
it.
you. Keep up the great work, bro. Thumbs up.
Later.
なかなか珍しいスバルですよね。アメリカ仕様の左ハンドル車なんだけど、昔からたまにしか見かけないスバルですよね。SVX というのかな。珍しいものです。日本にもあるのかな。どうだろう。これは多分日本にもある、右ハンドルバーもあるんだろうと思うんだけど、なかなか面白い車ですよね。見た目が。これはツートンにシルバーに黒なんだけど、この部分がすごいよね。Kim, you've seen these before,
Yes.
right?
Actually,
They're pretty unique.
I had a friend actually in high school that had one.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Did you ever see these windows, how they operate and stuff?
Yes.
So it's basically from here down, right?
Right.
And the rest of this is this way. It's,
Right. Because
I wonder how it is to actually see out of this car.
I don't know. I've actually haven't driven one.
Me neither, but it actually looks pretty big. Look at the interior. It's got it's a total like late 80s, early 90s car, right?
Oh yeah.
Look at the seatbelts. It got the seatbelts that move on their own, right? On
Oh
the track.
yeah. They are on the track.
これ知ってるのかなみんなこれ動くやつだよね後ろから前にってシートベルトはもう嫌だったんだよね最初はできた時になんだこれはって怖いっていうイメージがあったんだよね This is a nice car, very clean.
It is very clean. That's one thing I noticed. It was really nice looking.
It was like なんかハイテクだよね未来的な You get that like futuristic feel
Yes.
from this car from back in the day?
Like it would be a 90s future
The
car.
Back to the Future, right? Like the DeLorean of Subarus. Subaru no DeLorean. You get that?
I do,
Kind of follow
yeah.
that a little bit?
Yes.
Even with the color?
Yep.
Cool. この GTR がおー、いい匂い。いい匂い。さっき高速道路で俺のことすごいスピードで何キロ出したのかな、200キロぐらい出したのかな、このトラックは俺のことを追い越したんだよね。すげえよこれ。ここまでライトが入ってるよ。ライトバーが1、2、3、4、少なくても4つだよね、ライトバーが。それとこの車高の上げ方が素晴らしい。これ
I,
ついトラックなんで
I can imagine being in front of us in the beat.
He came smashing by me on the highway before.
Turn those lights on.
I was like, I was just glad I wasn't anywhere near him. Look,
Whoa.
boy, cool. That's a lot of custom work inside there, huh?
That is wild.
And he's got his lights. He's got, this is a lot of CNC, a lot of custom work that they did here. Real nice stuff. Powder coated, the whole front end, the suspension, all red like that. すげえ金かけてるんだよね. This guy spent a lot of money on his truck, huh, Kim?
Dude, a lot.
You can buy, you know how many Beats you could buy with one of these trucks?
Probably enough to equal the size of it.
You know how many Beats would fit inside this
Just
truck?
stack them up to make it, yeah.
It's a ton truck.
Look at the wheels.
Tundra no TRD
Wow.
これは。
This is a Tundra?
This is a Tundra. もうアメ車だと思ってたんだけど、Tundra だよね。Let's check it out. Whoa, Kim. My God, you need to tow something? This is the way you tow it.
Cow.
That is, and
Whoa. You got some speakers?
if you want to listen to classical music,
exactly.
this is the way you would do it.
I
Just like a symphony, Josh.
my goodness.
Woo! Nice. Kim, did you know the Ramen Ichiraku? This is from Naruto, right? Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah. See, I didn't know that until all the Japanese people watch my channel told me, how come you don't know what Naruto is?
You're not a big anime
So
person.
I gotta go to
though.
American guys to teach me about
Yeah.
Naruto. Nice shirt. Thank you. かっこいい三菱見つけたよ。かっこいいよ。これ見て。結構こだわって作ったもんじゃないですか。この透明のね、チェーンカバーと、エンジンがかかるかな。かっこいいよ。それと、これは上から出てくる。ほら、エンジンがかかります。He's venting up. Good smell, huh?
Yeah.
Smells great. かっこいいよね。黒にオレンジが似合ってる。これ、エボリューションの MR って何でしょう。あまり詳しくないけど、You know what the MR stands for?
I do not.
I don't know much about.
My brother-in-law races Evos, and I don't know anything about Evos.
It's a fantastic car. This guy spent a lot of money and time on this car. Really
Yes.
nice car, bro. Really clean. すごいこだわってこう作ったんだよね。色からもうね、カーボンの仕組みまで全部そう。そして、what do you think was going on here at some point, Jim? I would have to say so, right? It looks like you changed it up.
That's pretty cool, though.
Really cool. From the Radium Cap, Radium Parts, good company. Big sponsors, ESBOB as well. That blow up now. I'd love to hear this thing on the road, huh?
Yeah, that was
Wow.
Is that a digital gauge on that?
Sure looks like it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice. もう毎週のように新しいスカイラインが出てくるんだよね。32スカイラインの隣に同じ色の35、R35 のスカイラインです。GTR ですよね。かっこいいよね。これ、Kim, have you ever seen this car before?
I don't know if I have or not.
There's so many
Yeah.
R32s lately. It's
There's a
hard to
ton of
tell, right?
R32s.
But this one's nice. I like the blue, and I like the blue and blue with the
With the
35 and the 32. That's pretty cool, darn cool. すげえよな。どんどん日本車が増えてきてるんだよね。嬉しい。ということも、車が増えると新しい友達もできるということなので、必ずプロオーナーさんと多分つなげできるんじゃないかと思うので、この方なのかな。Is that your car, man? I figured it must have been. Nice ride, dude. Really nice. Is that new? Have you had that for a while?
Yeah, 3 years.
3 years.
So it's been around.
Has it made it on a video before? I'm trying to think.
It hasn't, no.
Well, now it has. Congratulations, man. What a nice car. It's a GTR, right? And you've owned it for 3 years?
Yep.
Did you bring it from Japan yourself?
I got it from my owner. He was in the military.
He was in the military. He brought it here. You bought it from him.
Yep.
Nice car, man.
Thank you, thank you.
You and your lady go driving together in it
Oh, yeah,
all the time?
all the time.
Nice.
Fun, cruising in it.
That is awesome, man. And whose car is this?
I don't know. I saw it there, part 35.
I like
I'm
it.
yeah.
Color,
For
the
next
color
time.
theme, everything right there. Nice, man. What's your name?
Joan.
Joan.
Yep.
Nice to meet you, man. Steve's my name. Your car
I know
gets
who you
a
are.
gets a big thumbs up from me. Congratulations.
Thank you, thank you.
You got it. Unimogじゃないですか、これは。すごい。Is that your Unimog?
No, it's not a Unimog.
Oh, whoa, it's not a Unimog. What is
Tell
it?
us.
Stuart Stevenson,
Yes.
LMTV,
Okay.
which is made in Sealy, Texas, outside Houston.
Okay.
It's a military truck that was a maintenance vehicle.
Yes.
It had the box on it. I bought it from a Navy SEAL in Colorado. And really good guy. He bought it surplus for $11,000.
Okay.
from The government.
Yeah.
Painted it, new tires.
Yeah.
And then I redoing the interior. I put a bigger engine in. I put high-speed gears. And
What is it powered by?
it's a Cat turbo diesel, a 3116, and
Turbo diesel cat.
straight six. You know.
Wow.
Yeah.
And what would this have been used for in the military? This particular vehicle, what purpose would it have?
Maintenance shelter, mechanical,
Okay.
electrical and mechanical repair.
Interesting. God, I thought it was a Unimog. It really has that Unimog.
It looks a lot
look
like
to it.
Yeah, the whole cab tilts forward for.
So it's made here in Texas.
It's made in Texas, yeah.
Really?
How great is it? Are you about to fire it up?
Yeah.
Can we hear it start? Oh, man. Kim, let's hear this thing start. We got to hear this big diesel. I want to hear this big diesel fire right here, Kim.
Whoa, that's
Here,
the
you go this
exhaust. I barely have your head in frame with the the exhaust is at the very
Oh,
top.
look, I mean, the tires are almost as tall as I am. Here we go. Listen to that thing. Oh, I can't wait to hear this diesel fire.
Wow.
Love it. Nice, man. Awesome, thank you. Woo!
Look at the front here.
Look at this Kim.
Yeah, I saw that.
Texas, it's all Texas, baby, right here. Look at this thing. Wow. Can you imagine you're in total command of the road with this thing, huh?
Yes, you are.
Nobody's messing with you on this thing.
You're even with semi trucks.
I bet you are. Wow. 楽しいイベントだったね、今日も。ちょっと寒いけど、新しいと、キムさん信じられないんだけど、すんげーキムさん停止屋じゃないですか、これは。Hey, Josh. Is this your car?
Yeah, I just got it.
When did you get this thing, man?
First week of January.
No way! Is this the first Stagia even around this area? I don't think I've seen one.
No, it's the first one I've seen. I don't know any more in the area.
Congratulations, man.
Thank
That
you.
is awesome. Kim, did you know that Josh had a Stagia?
I did.
Why didn't you tell me that? Why have you been hiding that important
Well,
fact?
you see what happened was
I know what it was. You wanted to hear me say, Sunge! That's what it was. It came down
that's
to,
what
right?
it was.
Dude, it looks like you're on your way out of here, but
Yeah.
we got to check this car out a little bit more in person one of these days.
Yeah, let's get together.
I would love to. I love Stadia. This thing is so cool. It's so. Wait a minute. Can I just get a smell inside your car real quick? Kim, hold
The-
on.
the Japanese
my
smell,
nose
go.
is about to get in this thing. Ah! Nihon no nioi! Nihonから来たバカの Whoa! In the,
1997.
you have a VHS player in the car too?
No, I wish.
No. Did that come with the car?
No, I bought some cool stuff for it.
Dude, it smells like Japan in here. It looks like Japan, all the accessories on here. Look at the antennas, everything. Dude, you got it all going on. This car
That's
is
the TV
classic.
antennas.
He's got the TV antennas. The classic old Japanese TV antennas. That is great. Congratulations on the awesome car, man. We're definitely going to get together with this one soon. Good. Cool.
See-
Thumbs up.
Oh,
Yeah!
rolling cold, Texas. Oh yeah.
You have some right-hand drive stuff going on. You got Liberty Walk builds going on.
Yes.
Fuck yeah! Keep up! There you go.